If you're in Nevada, getting a medical marijuana recommendation is easier than you think. At My MMJ Doctor, we offer a fast, secure, and fully online evaluation through our HIPAA-compliant platform. Here's how to get started. Head to mymmjdoctor.com and select Nevada. Once you proceed further, enter your name, email address, and phone number. Next, choose your visit type and pick a date and time that works best for you. Click Confirm to receive an appointment summary immediately. After that, enter your payment details to book an appointment. Then verify your identity by providing your ID number and a photo ID. Once that is done, enter your personal details such as your address, gender, height, and weight, followed by your medical history, and upload any relevant medical documents. A pop-up will appear to confirm your health record. Give it a quick digital signature to finalize your information. Your consultation with a licensed medical professional in Nevada is scheduled immediately. Most consultations are brief, usually around 5 to 10 minutes, during which the doctor discusses your condition to determine your eligibility. After your evaluation, you need to register as a cardholder on the DPBH portal. Once approved, you'll receive the medical marijuana card in the mail within 7 to 10 business days, which allows you to purchase medical marijuana legally from licensed dispensaries. Take the next step with mymmjdoctor.com to get the right support and guidance so that your path towards relief feels easy and stress-free.